Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do an unboxing of my final design team kit from Paper Inspirations. My contract with them runs out at the end of December and they're not going to have a continuation of their design team until maybe sometime next year. So yes, so keep your eyes open. When you see a post for the design team, apply. They are great to work with. Sue is fantastic. Our design team boxes are always filled with beautiful goods. So I thought that while I haven't even looked inside of here, all I've done is undo the elastic and read the little letter, lovely letter from Sue. I thought, well, I'll take you along with me while I see what's in here. So let's open that up. So we've got some lovely clear white tissue paper that can be stamped on or whatever. Now I'm going to move that over to the side a little and bring everything out to show you. So I've got these uniquely creative stickers. So they're Christmas stickers. They're a Christmas dream puffy stickers. I've got some season's greetings, holly, jolly, joy, Christmas wishes, love, merry. So they'll come in handy, I think, on my Christmas cards. Oh, we got some cute little pink gems. Yeah, they're lavender actually. They're lavender, but they're very pinky lavender. Lovely. Oh, look at this. Some clocks. Aren't they gorgeous? So they are chipboard, I think. Wooden clocks, blossom and bloom. I don't know, I hope that's not reflecting too much for you. But the clocks have got all pretty things on them. Plain, flowers, butterflies, teacups with flowers. More could a person ask for, hey? So there's that. I'll cut that under there. I can sort of lay these out a bit so we can see them. Oh, I've got a lovely stamp, a Christmas stamp. Well, this is going to be excellent for my cards. We got Merry Christmas, may your Christmas be filled with love and laughter. Lots of Christmas sayings there. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. These, of course, can be cut if you want to do something different. We've got little baubles. Oh, very cute. Wishing you a fabulous Christmas. This one's called what? Christmas Essentials. And once again, uniquely creative. It looks like we've got quite a bit of uniquely creative here. Ooh, I've been eyeing these off actually. These are the Rub-ons from Uniquely Creative, a Christmas Dream background Rub-ons. I'm going to have fun with those. I hope you can see them okay. I'm not sure. Is there only one sheet in there? Does it say somewhere? It looks like there's one sheet in there, yeah. So there's some gold, little gold things in the background that can rub on. Actually, I'm quite eager to try some rub-ons on some fabric, so that might be useful for that. Oh, look here. A Christmas Dream pink gnomes. I did mention to Sue that I wanted to make a pink Christmas journal, so perhaps that's where all this is leading. I think it's a fair chance to say that, aren't they so cute? What are they called? A Christmas Dream pink gnome cut aparts. Very pretty. Very pretty. And I have got the Uniquely Creative a Christmas Dream paper collection, or paper pack. So let's have a look what's in here. So, on the back of the name of the thing, we've got some cutouts as well, cut aparts. And look at that, isn't it gorgeous? What a beautiful door. And a nice soft pink background. Oh, look at that. beautiful. Look at the background. It's got like some text, very pale text in the background. It's lovely. I love that too. These make good, like I could cut that out and use it as a side tuck in an album, on an album page, and I can cut that out and use that as a tuck as well, or a pocket. And I love the colour of that. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And such a pretty pink. Once again, it's got like the text in the background. And a nice pink to go with it. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, just this piece here without the decorations, plenty of uses for that sort of thing. I'm a big sucker for Christmas trees. Oh, that's sort of like a bluey grey background. That's lovely. This one's called Gifting. This one, look, it's another one with that beautiful background. It's got a music paper printed in it. It's great. Oh, it's got strips. Ooh, very pretty, very pretty. Lots of colour parts there too. More gnomes. But these are cute, aren't they? You could do a lot with those. Lots of embellishments. Ooh, more colour parts. Lots of things on there. Christmas trees and Christmas baubles are my favourites, so yes. Oh, and I love the spot as well. Ooh, bright red stripe. Gee, that plays with your eyes. And we've got the journaling cards on the back, or the, I think they'd be 3x4. You can cut them out and use them to embellish your pages or add onto the front of your cards, whatever you're making. That's excellent. Okay, so there we go. That's my lovely bundle of goodies for this month, well, November, December. So yes, I'm going to have to get busy, aren't I, and make something to use this beautiful collection up. And I'll be able to use the stamps in my journal as well. And these, oh, I'll be able to use it all. Okay. All right. Well, you've seen it at the same time I've seen it, and I am more than happy with all these beautiful things that I can use to make both a Christmas journal and Christmas cards. So I'm going to get busy and get into that. Okay. Thanks for joining me. And I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up. That would be fantastic. And I hope you can join me when I post my next video. Okay, bye.